Everyone, welcome to our AgriQuest channel. So, firstly, let me say you a small thing. With continuous efforts and trust and keeping trust on ourselves, we can achieve anything. We can just make impossible and also possible. So, having that stability and continuous efforts and learnings and reaching till SRF, it's really the great thing. So, today we are going to meet Anigna ma'am from Kerala, who is pursuing her PhD in horticulture fruit science subject, isn't it, ma'am?
Yeah, good morning.
Who cracked SRF, who completed her JRF, and also who cracked SRF. And now we are going to meet her and take all the guidance and let's just grab all the knowledge from her. Please welcome, ma'am. It's our honor for welcoming you here.
Thank you. Thank you, Team AgriKids, for giving an opportunity to give my suggestions and my experience with my juniors. Myself, Anagha, I'm from Kerala. I have completed my bachelor's degree from Kerala Agriculture University and master's degree from University of Horticulture Sciences, Bagalkot. And presently, I'm pursuing my PhD in fruit science at IRI, New Delhi.
Wonderful, ma'am. So, Anagna Ramachandran, ma'am, did you really think that you really will reach till SRF? I mean, from childhood itself, you have a goal that you want to become a researcher. Otherwise, what made you to reach this stage?
Yeah, of course. From childhood itself, I had that dream. I want to become an research scholar and I want to achieve something more in my life. So that made me to prepare for this and to crack this exam. Definitely.
One. So how's your feeling, ma'am? Is this subject your favorite subject, or otherwise, how come you choose this particular subject, horticulture, and also the fruit science only?
Yeah, sure. Actually, horticulture is my, but my one of my favorite subject from BSc itself. So I took this subject for preparation for JRF, and among these horticulture elite subjects, I like fruit science most. So I chosen this subject for preparation.
Wonderful, ma'am. So, ma'am, we also want to know what all the streams may be available either for JRF and also for the SRF. What all the streams will be available to choose for us in horticulture subject?
Horticulture, you have many options like many divisions are there. Fruit science, vegetable science, then PSMA, that is plantation, spice, medicinal and aromatic plants, then floriculture, and then post-harvest division. So we can choose any one of these subjects based on our interest. So those who are preparing for JRF in horticulture, they have many options to select for pursuing their PhD also.
Wonderful, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you also suggest now in this particular subject for SRF, you have said that we may have 4 or 5 streams options. In those streams, how we need to prepare for that, and what all books we need to refer for those subjects. Otherwise, you can say only about the fruit science also. Otherwise, if you could say, you can say about the remaining subjects also in our SRF preparation.
Okay, actually, one thing is those who are having good base or those who are prepared very well for JRF exam, they can easily crack SRF without any doubt. So they'll be having basic about all these divisions. So and one more thing, up to last year, the pattern was like JRF only, but from this year they have ICR has changed this pattern little bit. The question pattern was like 20 questions from this general agriculture and current affairs related to agriculture, and 50 questions from all the allied agriculture subjects like if I'm taking, means I'm from fruit science department, so for me that 50 questions will come from fruits, vegetable, PSMA, floriculture and post harvest, and the rest of the 50 questions, that is 50 questions, 50% of the question paper will be from my subject like fruit science. So those who are preparing for SRF, whatever it is, that we have to go in depth to our subject. Like in fruit science, we have to read more specifically fruit science books. So that is more important. And moreover, unlike BSc, we are pursuing, when we are pursuing in PG, we have to be like balance our research as well as exam. So we have to be careful with these things. So once we are started preparing for this SRF exam, we have to give time for research as well as our XRF preparation. So those who are balancing this only can crack this exam. So for getting PhD admission, our thesis submission is also important as like SRF. So that only I want to tell. And books books are like JRF books only. And specifically for fruit science, we have to study books like Instant Glosters, we have to study. Then one book is there, Essence of Horticulture. This is very important for SRF preparation. Then TK Bose 4-volume fruit science books are there. So we have to read that books. That 4-volume also we have to read. Then fruit breeding section also they will ask. So fruit breeding, tropical and subtropical fruits by PK Rai, and temperate fruit crops, temperate fruit breeding. One more book is there. These two is also important. And as like theory studying, we have to practice more MCQ questions. That is also well important, because if we are preparing for any exam, we'll be having good knowledge about theory. But when we apply that into a questions, we have to get little bit confused with that options. So for that, we have to practice more and more questions. That only more important. So I have studied books like Objective Horticulture, and one more most important book for SRF, those who are studying for fruit science, is Treasure of Fruit Science is very important. So this book contains all the MCQs, some of the mock tests, like packets of questions, and along with that previous year net exams, then SRF exam question papers also they have covered. So this book is most important. And some specific books like Fruit by Ranjit Singh, this is also important for SRF preparation. And A to Z Horticulture, one more book is there. This is also, actually these are 4-volume, but those who are preparing for SRF, they can go for fruits, this book, and one more MCQ books are there. And 20 questions I have already told, they will ask from current affairs. So we have to get these books, that is agriculture current affairs. Year-wise, they will update these books. So at the time of examination, we have to get these books. It will be available in online. And for general agriculture, we can read this book, General Agriculture, Munraj Singh. That also important.
Wonderful, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. You have given a brief description about all the books. Well, it will be really helpful for all our aspirants. And also, ma'am, can you please say, in our SRF examination question paper, what all are the main concepts or the main topics or questions which have covered, and how that pattern will actually be, and to how many marks? And in that, how many marks you have scored? Everything, please, ma'am.
Actually, in SRF this year, that question pattern was also different from the previous year question paper. They asked those who are having good basic, or those who know concept very well, they can answer these questions very well. It was like statement, assertion, reason type questions. So we have to analyze and conclude the options among the 4, and then only we can answer each and questions.
Yes, ma'am. Wonderful, ma'am. And also, just say, what's the difference between JRF and also the SRF examination?
JRF, the syllabus, everything is same like JRF, but while preparing for SRF, as I told, we have to go in depth in our subject. Like in fruit science, we have to focus more on breeding aspects, then other varieties, species, everything we have to read in depth. Then only we can perform well in exam.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And yes, we have came to know about what all the books we need to refer, and also how the exam pattern will be. And ma'am, can I also please say, in SRF we heard that there will be a research. We also need to conduct your researches. So yes, how did you manage the research work and also the study work, and what type of researches we need to do there, and the basic concept about that, please?
Yeah, that is most important while preparing for SRF. we have to conduct our research along with our preparation. So we should balance both our research and preparation. For that, we have to start preparation from early, like in first year, mostly it will be our coursework only. So those who are start preparation from the first year, they can easily crack without any clash with our research. And if we start late also, we can crack, but we have to balance within in one day. We have to divide our day for research work, for doing thesis, and also for preparation.
Okay, ma'am, thank you, ma'am. And also, can you just say, how was your study strategy, ma'am? I mean, in a day, how did you maintain your timetable, or how many months or years it took for you to prepare for your JRF and also for your SRF? Your study strategy, how is it, ma'am?
Yeah, actually, I started preparation after first year. That is, from second year, I started preparation, and in the first semester, we have to be in busy with our research. Even though we have to find at least 4 or 5 hours daily for SRF preparation. And in the last 6 months, I was completely dedicating my time for SRF preparation. I spent almost 7-8 hours for SRF preparation, and the rest of the time for thesis preparation also. And planning is most important for any exam. So those who are especially in horticulture, we have many divisions. I divided all the subjects, different allied subjects like vegetable, flooring, post-harvest, PSMA, and 1 hour for each subject I took, and 5-6 hours I spent in a day.
Okay, wonderful, ma'am. And also, while preparation, can you please suggest us what all websites you have visited for all the preparation, and for mock tests particularly, what websites you used to refer, and what channels, or from where you would get all the guidance or clarification, everything, ma'am?
Yeah, actually, in YouTube, I have watched a few channels like Horticulture with Kripa Shankar that I was following. Then many WhatsApp groups I have joined, and Telegram channels also. So we can participate, and we can clarify all our doubts in that. And also, I have visited many websites like NHP, especially for horticulture. We have to be updated with all the current area production productivity of different fruits, vegetable, everything. So I was visiting these ICR websites and NSB, National Horticulture Board, to get updated data about the crops. ICR websites like IHR, IRI websites for getting newly released varieties, and NSB, National Horticulture Board, for getting more updates about area production productivity of different horticulture crops. That is very much important. We have to know before going to exam.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And may I also know what was your next target, ma'am? I mean, for what examinations are you preparing?
Actually, now, now I started first year. So my dream job is to become an ARS research scientist. And also, if I get a chance or post, I want to become an assistant professor also. So presently, they didn't call any post in these streams. So now I'm preparing for our state exams like agriculture, AO exams like that.
Wonderful, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you also know on what particular subject or topic you have did research?
Yeah, actually, my research was in dragon fruit propagation study by using stem and seed.
Okay, ma'am. And according to that, now this research, what all concepts are there that we need to choose by ourselves, or they will queue otherwise? What can you suggest for all the aspirants who are preparing for SRF? Your side suggestion, please, ma'am.
Actually, research, it's our wish. We can select if we have any interest in any crops to do research. We can also suggest to professors to give research in that particular crop, or else if you don't have any much preference about crop, you can use any other you can tell professors to suggest from their side also. And work is actually we can do in molecular work also, but while preparing for exams, if we choose molecular work or biotechnology work, that will be more tedious. We have to spend most of the time in lab, and you will not get more times for preparation. But those who are really interested to do molecular work, they can go. But we have to balance our time for preparation. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. We have get to know a lot of information from you, and also from your side, the particular of few suggestions for all the aspirants. Any suggestion, please, ma'am?
My humble request to all my juniors is that if you have a dedicated mind for preparation of any exam, you can crack. Nothing is impossible. If you try to get and dedicate all your time, then you can crack this exam also. It's nothing like tough or easy. If you have that correct planning, then you can crack this exam surely.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, ma'am, do you really think that particular aspirant who is preparing for now, many are stopping till BSc Agriculture only. Do you really think that we need this SRF and also the ARS, all these things? What may be the difference between this JRF and also their what the job opportunities like? What can you suggest regarding that?
Actually, that is their personal opinion, but my suggestion, especially this JRF and SRF exam, we are getting fellowship also. For JRF now, they are getting monthly 12,500, and for SRF 31,000 in first year and 35,000 from second year onwards. So those who really want to study and without any financial support, they can go for PG and PhD. They will get sufficient amount to study, and as like job we are getting money. So those who really want to study or continue their education, they can go for that. Without from their parents dependence, they can complete their education.
Wonderful, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And can you also suggest the last thing that after this SRF, what are the job opportunities? What are the different job opportunities we will have?
In actually many opportunities are there, especially in horticulture. After SRF, especially from 2021 onwards, they have changed this ARS like from MSc qualification to PhD. So those who are completed PhD only can apply for this ARS post. So for that, PhD is compulsory, and assistant professor job we can apply. And many state exams in different state, it may vary, but AO, HO exams, they can appear. And in bank also, we have many opportunities, AFO exams, then many research stations we can go for a scientist post. Many opportunities are there. Then IFCO, then FCI, many posts we can apply.
Yes, ma'am. That's what this gives us the extra qualification and lot many opportunities. Wonderful, ma'am. So yes, here we came to know what all the books and also the study strategy and why we really need to achieve and crack this SRF examination and how our mindset or everything need to be for that. Everything we came to know very clearly with the experience of our Anagna ma'am, and also she have given us the proper guidance by showing all the books. So without wasting any time, just start your preparation and achieve this biggest targets. When and only you have that target or dream, then you can achieve anything. As said by Anagna ma'am, thank you so much for your valuable time and valuable guidance, ma'am. Thank you so much.